This video tutorial will show ACLI-ESL students how to create a workforce student profile. Before we begin, let's go over some good things to know. Make sure that you know your jurisdiction. What is a jurisdiction? A jurisdiction is the county in which you reside or live. For example, if you live in the city of Annandale, your county is Fairfax. If you live in the city of Woodbridge, your county is Prince William. If you live in the city of Sterling, your county is Loudoun. If you need help finding your county of residence, please go to quoragroup.com/Virginia-county-lookup.html to view a list of all Virginia cities and their matching county. A link to this website is in the description below. Next, make sure you have access to a device with an internet connection. When you're ready to begin creating your student profile, go to the My Workforce website. Click on Login, Create Account here. Scroll down and under New Students, click on the green Create New Profile button. On the next page, scroll down and you will see the start of the student profile application. To help you get started, here are some important reminders when filling out this application. When making your password, you cannot use any part of your name in the password. You must follow these rules when making your password. The password should have at least 8 characters, a number, at least one uppercase and one lowercase letter, and at least one special character. The application will also ask you to add a password hint. What is a password hint? A hint is a clue that helps you remember your password. If you do not want to add a password hint, just type the word password for this field. If you do not know or have a social security number, please leave the field empty and do not enter any numbers. If you have any questions after watching this video, please contact Nova Workforce at 703-503-6300 or Nova Workforce Answers at nvcc.edu.